Human reproduction. Spermatogenesis. The gametogenesis is the process of formation of gametes in sexually reproducing animals. The male gamete is sperm and female gamete is ovum or egg. The gametes are formed from the primordial germ cells of glands. The spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Spermatogenesis, the process of formation of male gamete sperm or spermatozoa from the germinal epithelium of testes is called spermatogenesis. At the onset of puberty, the hypothalamus begins secretion of gonadotropic releasing hormones. It initiates the significant increase the secretion of follicle stimulating hormones, which include spermatogenesis. Each seminiferous tubule is lined by a single layer of cuboidal epithelial cells called germinal epithelium. The cells of germinal epithelium undergo spermatogenesis and to produce the sperms. The process of spermatogenesis involves three phases. First, multiplication phase. The primordial germ cells, seminiferous tubules, undergoes repeat mitotic division to produce the large number of spermatogonia. Each spermatogonium is diploid and with 46 chromosomes. Second phase, that is the growth phase, some of the spermatogonia stop dividing and grow in size to develop into the primary spermatocytes due to the accumulation of food. Third phase, maturation phase. It involves meiotic or reduction division. The spermatocytes undergoes the first phase of meiotic division, leading to formation of two haploid cells called secondary spermatocyte, which are the 23 chromosomes each. The secondary spermatocyte undergoes second phase of meiotic division, meiosis second, to produce the four haploid spermatid. The spermatid is non-motile and non-functional. It gets transformed into the functional spermatozoa by the process called spermatogenesis. During this process of change, the spermatid remain held to each other and to the Sertoli cell by cytoplasmic bridge. The sperm head remain attached to the Sertoli cells and their tail hanging in the lumen of seminiferous tubules. During the spermatogenesis, length of spermatid increases. The centrioles are rearranged as primary and distal controls. Mitochondria become spirally coiled and acrosome is formed from the Golgi complex. Structure of sperm. Sperm is the male gamete. It is the motile, microscopic, elongated cell. It divided into three parts: head, middle piece, tail. The sperm head is oval in shape and contain haploid nucleus. Above the nucleus, there is a cup-like structure called acrosome. It is formed from the Golgi body. Acrosome contain hydrolytic enzyme and proteolytic enzymes like zonulysins and corona pentrylase enzymes. Neck, it is very short region having two centrioles, that is the proximal centriole and distal centriole. Middle piece, it has the axial filament surrounded by 10 to 14 spiral tongues of mitochondrial. It produces energy necessary for movement of sperm. Tail. Tail is long, slender, tapering part containing cytoplasm and fine thread axile filaments. The axile filament arises from the distal centriole and travels through the outer length of the tail. It is partly surrounded by plasma membrane, and the part of without plasma membrane is called end piece.